down to the ground.
Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you're going to make a closureless wig for beginners. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Click that subscribe button down below, and also remember to click the notification button so every time I upload the video you get the notification. So what you need is hair bonding glue, and you can get this glue from any of your local supply beauty store, a pair of scissors, pins, and a hair. You can use any type of hair you want. So since my cap is bigger, my mannequin head is all, this is what I always do. I always take a piece of cloth and just tie it around the head like that. I like using a piece of polythene paper or bag just to prevent the glue from sticking on my mannequin, or you can use a shower cap if you want to. This is the hair I'm going to use. I only used one pack.
Now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns.
If you don't have a glue, you can use a thread and a needle, but I found glue method very effortless and quick. To secure the wefts, I'm going to use this hair bonding glue. And guys, this method is so fast. It's very fast compared to stitching the wefts on the cap. And then another thing, guys, these tracks were really slipping and it was taking forever to dry. So I decided to use my blow dryer just to quicken up the process. Because like holding it like that, the tracks was slipping and taking forever to dry. I was almost getting impatient. I just decided to use my blow dry. And the process was really quick. So this is what I always do on the side. Because like when I use this style to finish up the front part, it's always easier for me to style the wig. So I always prefer using this method.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain.
And I did that on both sides, on the left side and on the right side of the cap.
It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I know.
And so guys, I'll just speed up the process so that the video is not too long. And just make sure that you space out so that the hair is not that bulky or don't run out of hair. I used a concealer to mark my invisible part. And so for you to achieve a really flat and invisible part, this is what you're going to do. You're going to measure the same amount of hair from the end to the hair, and then cut as many matching pieces as you want. Apply as little glue as possible and make sure you lay the tracks a straight line. Guys, just make sure it is straight. Especially if you're using a straight hair, it can be so tricky, but mine at least it's kinda curly, so I really won't mess up the visible part. But if you're using straight hair, just make sure you're laying the tracks as straight as possible and lay them directly on top of each other. If you lay the tracks at an angle, you may end up seeing the edges of the tracks and the glue, and it will be so like messed up. So just make sure you lay the tracks a straight line and right on top of each other. So I just had to repeat the process. Just make sure you're laying the edges of the track as straight as possible. And right now I just really loved what I was doing because it was super straight, and I couldn't see the tracks. And then when you comb it like this, make sure you hold the hair so that it doesn't come out, because right now it hasn't really dried. And then I did the same on the other side. And another thing, make sure the invisible part is narrow, because mine was kind of a little bit wide. So if you want it narrow, you can make sure you glue the hair closer to each other.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free.
Finish this part. I'm going to glue the hair in like a circle. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Click that subscribe button down below, and also remember to click the notification buttons. Anytime I upload the video, you get the notification.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out.
And for this part to be flat, you have to flat iron it. And guys, I really didn't have a flat iron, so what I did, I just took my iron box and literally ironed my hair like that. Yes, but guys, that is a hack. I flat ironed the middle part, and then it was so flat. Just look at that, it was so flat. And since I could see tracks, I had to fill up, and I still had some hair left. I had to fill it up with the hair that I had. And this is our finished product, guys. Just look at her. Wow. And since the invisible part was wider, I decided to go ahead and mark it with an eye pencil just to make it narrow. Wow, guys, I really love her. Just look at her. And then I had to remove the pair of socks and the polythene bag.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies.
And guys, I really love the side part. I don't like wearing my hair like the invisible part being in the middle. I love the side part. And you can style it any way you want.
Start over now. Rewind.
love the volume of the hair. That was it, guys. If you love this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you on my next video. Mwah.